Are you looking for a brand new house sa isang flood-free subdivision? Magugustuhan mo ito. Dito sa BF Homes Parañaque, may lot area na 280 square meters. May 3-car garage. Pagpasok, may bedroom na agad. At narrow wood planks ang flooring. Meron din niyang own bathroom. Doubled as powder room na rin. Nasa loob nga to ng safe and gated subdivision. At eto na yung kanyang living area na may double height ceiling. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung 4 big bedrooms sa second floor. Meron pa tong covered lanay. At talaga namang fully fitted kitchen na nakaka-impress. Yung price and details nasa description box below the video or comment section. Follow ka na kasi dito mo makikita ang dream house mo. Subscribe